In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar invite link. Whether you're planning a meeting, scheduling an event, or just organizing your week, this step-by-step guide will help you effortlessly share your calendar events with others. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt to do so. Click on Sign In. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want to use. You can either select your account from the list, or if it's not there, enter your email address and proceed. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter your password. After typing in your password, go ahead and click on Next to proceed. With that, you should now be logged into your Google Calendar. Once you're in, you're ready to create an invite link. Start by navigating through your calendar and select the specific event you want to share. Open the event details by clicking on it. Here, look for the option that says Invite via Link and click on it. This feature is quite handy as it allows you to generate a direct link to your event. After clicking, a link will be created for you. Next, simply click on Copy Link. Now you've got a shareable link at your fingertips. You can paste this link into an email, a chat, or any other communication platform to invite people to your event. This way, recipients can easily access event details and add them to their own calendars. Alternatively, if you prefer a more personal touch, Google Calendar also allows you to email the event details directly. Still within the event, look for the email option. You'll need to enter the email addresses or names of the people you want to invite. You can also add a subject line and a personalized message to the email. Once you're satisfied with your email invite, the final step is to hit Send. This will dispatch the invitation to your selected attendees along with all event details. There you have it. A simple and effective way to create and share Google Calendar invite links. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly invite colleagues, friends, or family members to your scheduled events. This is a great way to make sure everyone stays on the same page and is informed about upcoming events. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!